Now, which of the following is not a country which surrounds Persian Gulf? Okay, meaning the bordering countries of Persian Gulf you have to know. So here if you see, Yemen is not part of that because Yemen is very far below, and in the map also, here I have not showed Yemen because it is even out of the picture. Okay, the Saudi Arabia, below that it's Yemen, meaning it has no connection with Persian Gulf. So I am teaching you only the Persian Gulf bordering countries. Okay, one thing you should know that Oman is here, right? This is Oman, and this is UAE. But Oman, this edge of UAE, this small bit, this is actually occupied by Oman. Okay, so because of that reason, you can tell Oman is also having Persian Gulf touch. If suppose this portion was not there, this complete thing was UAE and Dubai and complete one piece, Oman is actually below that. So it will be only bordering with Gulf of Oman. It is not bordering with that. But because Oman has occupied this area, you can tell Oman, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Iraq, Iran, all these countries are having border with Persian Gulf. But Saudi is also having, this is fully Saudi, but below this Saudi, the Yemen is not having. Okay, Yemen is not having the border.